Hi guys, today I'm going to talk to you about oil bath, which I practice from my childhood, which my grandparents taught me and practiced me, and they will do for me till I got married. So many times I have missed after marriage taking oil bath, but when after a gap when I take, I feel, oh my god, it is so relaxing, and it suits for my body, and I have to do it regularly. But still, I will miss it for a month, and then again I will start. But that is a very great practice to have a oil bath weekly once if you are used to it. This is my oil which I take for oil bath, which is soaked with methi seeds and onion seeds for about 1 year. I'm going to heat it. Just take oil whatever you need and then heat it. I'm going to add garlic to that. You can add pepper, you can add ginger, you can add rice. In my childhood, my grandpa used to add rice, so we will eat the rice when he applies oil to our head and whole body. We have to start from the toe to the head. We need to apply oil. First, we need to start from the toe. It is completely for health purpose, not for hair growth or anything. I don't feel like. After applying this warm oil, I will leave it for about 2-3 hours. That is my practice. Because I am used to it, I will leave it for 2-3 hours. And then instead of shampoo, I use basin powder and curd mixed together and apply to my hair and leave it for half an hour. Curd is so coolant, so don't try if it is new to you. I'm used to curd, so I am using curd, and this paste will stay for about half an hour. Then I will wash it. If I need, I add shampoo little bit, not much. If the oil is too much, I will finish it with little shampoo. Then after taking bath, I will have my breakfast. So you should take bath. Take your oil bath before 12. That is, you should start applying oil and remove it before 12, which is advisable. Before the noon starts, you need to finish your oil bath. So usually I apply by 6:30 and then wash it by 11 o'clock because I need more time. So we had dosa after taking oil bath with coconut chutney. And if you want, you can take juice. To take oil bath, you select a day so that in that day you don't have any work outside, that is huge work, that is going by morning and coming by night. It's not good. Just 2-3 hours outside is okay, but you need to take some rest in that day, but not a sleep. That in the daytime you should not sleep when taking an oil bath, and you should not have heavy food like non-veg or a great feast. So you should not take alcohol or any other stuff like that. And for lunch, uh, that is will be around 4 to 5 because I had my breakfast late by 12:30, so I will skip my dinner. So I will have by 6 o'clock dinner with Melagu Korambu, which I will give you the link. So this Melagu Korambu, that is pepper curry, which is a South Indian form of pepper curry. If you want it to be a North Indian style, you can avoid adding a tamarind. That is the only one we use in South India, which differs from North Indian curry. So avoid tamarind and then add amchur powder. Make this Melagu Korambu, and then with hot rice you can take. I will give you the link of this Melagu Korambu in description box. This Melagu Korambu will be the best for the day when you take oil bath. If you want, you can do this before day, and then that is, if you are taking your oil bath on Saturday, you can make this Melagu Korambu Friday and then keep it. Then you can take it. You don't have to keep it in the fridge because you are roasting everything, and with little water, there will not be any water content in this Korambu. So in this lockdown, you need to practice this habit of taking oil bath and relaxing, because you have enough time, so you don't have to go around. There is no much work for everyone, so make use of this lockdown. Taking oil bath will remove toxins from your body, and your skin texture enriches. It's better to have a practice of taking oil bath regularly. It calms down your mind, and also it balances your temperature and relax a whole muscle. You can't take oil bath with any oil. It has to be gingerly oil, that is sesame oil, or coconut oil. If at all, you can use castor oil if you can, because it is very coolant. Some people will be allergic of castor oil, so you need to avoid it. Better is sesame oil. It will suit everybody. Maximum people will not have any allergic towards sesame oil. Prefer a homely food which is light and with pepper and mild vegetable you can have, that will suit that day. Taking oil bath will balance your temperature in your body, which is the solution for all the problems in your body. If the Vata, Pitta, Kapha, whatever is there, if it is not balanced, when you take oil bath, everything will come to a balance. Ayurveda prefers taking oil bath for all age people, but before starting, that is, if it is new to you, just try with 10 minutes of taking oil bath. I will tell you the process. Just apply oil and just wait for 10 minutes and take bath. And also, you should not apply more oil. Have minimum of oil and apply throughout your body and head. That is enough. Just 2-3 spoons of oil if it is new to you. then gradually every month you take, then gradually after 6 to 7 months, if you don't have any problem, then you can increase the amount of oil and also the time you give for the oil to be in your head. So thank you guys for watching.